Hello everyone. In this lesson, we'll learn about map visualization analysis. Map visualization allows us to analyze KPI performance based on a world map. For example, we can use bubbles to represent the size of our sales revenue. On the map, you can see different cities where bubble size represents sales revenue amounts. You can also use maps to analyze profit margins or delivery times by region, creating a very intuitive visualization effect. Let's see how to implement this in the system. First, to create map analysis, we need a location dimension in our model. This is a mandatory requirement. In this example, I have a dimension called location. Let me show you this dimensions table. In this dimension table, the members contain city abbreviation codes, along with their longitude and latitude coordinates. For longitude and latitude, we need to maintain precision to 6 decimal places. We also use positive and negative values to represent east-west and north-south directions. This is an important point to note. Only models with geographic location dimensions can be used for map analysis. This is a prerequisite. Let's see how to create map charts in the system. After coming here, we can insert a component. We'll insert a map component here. The system provides different map styles. You can choose the map style you prefer. Next, we need to add a map layer. For the map layer, you can choose different formats, such as bubbles, heat maps, or other formats. Let's use bubble charts for our explanation. Here, we need to select a location dimension, which is the location from our model. Now for bubble size. Let's say we want to use sales revenue to represent our bubble size. Here we select our sales revenue. Now you can see that the larger the sales revenue, the bigger the bubble. And smaller revenue creates smaller bubbles. Similarly, you can also add color differentiation here. For example, let's also select our sales revenue. Then we can expand this to choose color variations. For instance, we can select this option. You can see that larger values are green while smaller ones are red. Here, you can also divide into several ranges, like dividing into 4 ranges by percentage. You can see different ranges have different colors for clear distinction. You can clearly see which percentile range each color represents. You can also hover your mouse over the bubbles to see the sales figures. That's how we create map charts using SAP Analytics Cloud. Thank you for watching.